Are you facing the frustrating error of undefined symbols for architecture x86-64 while linking your object files? You're not alone. Today, we will dive into this common issue and help you resolve it. I completely understand how annoying it can be to run into linking errors, especially when you're trying to compile your code. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall. And trust me, many developers have been there. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user reported encountering the error while trying to link their object files after defining a template structure. They were using Clang on macOS and were puzzled by the undefined symbols. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So, what could be causing this linking error? Undefined symbols often occur when the compiler cannot find the definition of a function or variable that has been declared. In this case, it might be related to how the template is being instantiated or used. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help you avoid these linking errors in the future. To address the linking error, the user should first check the spelling of the type name in their code. In the provided code snippet, there is a typo in the type name System instead of system. Next, the user should ensure that the template specialization for the system type is correctly defined. The specialization for AC must be properly declared before it is used. After correcting the type name and ensuring the specialization is defined, the user should recompile their code. This will help confirm if the changes resolve the linking error. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they should check their build settings and ensure that all necessary files are included in the compilation process. Fun fact, did you know that the first programming languages were created in the 1950s? Back then, programmers had to deal with a lot of low-level issues that we often take for granted today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that in C+14 and earlier, static data members need an out-of-class definition in one translation unit if they are ODR used. This applies to constexpr members as well. If you don't provide this definition, it can lead to linking errors without a clear diagnostic message. In C++17, a new feature called inline variables allows these definitions to be in header files. This means your original code will work correctly in C++17 and later versions, as constexpr variables are implicitly inline. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your template syntax and ensure that your specializations are defined correctly. This habit can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the undefined symbols error and get back to coding. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more coding insights.